have you eaten noodles with the chopstick yet?
Yes.
And how was the experience?
Hi.
Hello.
My name is and I live in Japan. What's your name?
Awesome. My name is Ahmed, and I live in Baghdad. I'm from Iraq.
Oh, what time is it there?
Um, uh, you can say it's morning. It's 11:30.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, and
It's
yeah,
like it's 5:30 here.
5:30.
PM.
Awesome. So, wow, Chaban. How long have you been living there in Chaban?
Japan. I've been living in Japan for about almost 4 years.
4 years. Wow. So, you are experienced there in Chaban. Everything you have experienced everything.
I've tried to experience as much as I can. Um, it's been very fun so far. I'm an English teacher, so
Yeah.
um, in Japan, I usually just go to work, come back
Okay.
home, and
Yeah.
then try food, go to events, and meet new people.
Yeah. So, have you eaten noodles with the chopstick yet?
Yes,
And how was the experience?
it
It was
was.
real hard or easy?
Oh man. I'm from America, so
Yeah.
the first time I used chopsticks were in America. Uh, then when I came to Japan, it
Yeah.
wasn't as difficult,
Yeah.
but it's still a bit difficult to hold too many things. Like I cannot eat rice very well with chopsticks, but I can eat
Yeah.
noodles and
Yeah.
sushi and most other things except for rice.
Uh, but I guess they they eat rice with chopstick as well, right?
Yes.
Wow! Don't tell me they drink they drink the soup with the chopstick as well.
Oh no, no, no. The chopstick is put down, but they drink the
Okay.
soup like this.
Oh, so there's no spoons there.
There's
No need to
spoons.
spoons there.
No, no. The spoons are used with noodles, actually. They have
The,
big bowls for
okay.
ramen, and there's a lot of ramen water, like ramen soup. So
Okay.
they use the spoon to get the ramen soup. I can show you some. I have some in my house right now.
Wow. So you are following their traditions.
Yeah. When in Rome, I guess you follow their traditions. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. So what other things that you have learned from Japanese traditions?
I have learned some Japanese. I know how to wear a kimono, and sometimes I do Japanese tea ceremony.
Tea, tea ceremony. So,
Yeah.
oh, is it like just like the tea, normal tea, or they have different type of tea?
Oh, it's green tea, powdered green tea,
Okay.
and you must use.
So it's a sorry, it's a powder, not like the leaves, like the small leaves of a tea. It's a powder.
Oh, there's okay. The powdered tea is
Yeah.
for traditional Japanese tea ceremony, but they have leaves, and the leaves are for a different type of tea ceremony. But it's
Uh-huh.
more casual
Okay.
than the traditional tea ceremony. Because traditional tea ceremony, it's a lot. You do a lot of uh, shaking, like mixing. You do a lot of mixing the
Yeah.
powder, and you have to walk a certain way. You have to say certain things. It's very fun, but also a bit difficult.
Difficult for cooking this tea, you mean, or having this ceremony?
The most difficult part is sitting because are you Muslim?
Yeah.
So, when you're praying and you're sitting down like this.
Yeah.
So you can't, so in prayer, you can put your foot like this. You can have your foot over the other. But in tea ceremony, you cannot. You have your foot this way while sitting.
So it's real hard. Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. So you do that the whole time. The whole time.
So
30 minutes, 40 minutes, 2 hours.
Wow.
Yes.
So that's why they have like a flat food. Oh. And they have a conversation during having this ceremony, right?
Yes, they have conversation based on the weather. So the tea ceremony you have changes each season.
Yeah.
So in the spring, they have a painting on one side of the room, and they have flowers, and they have special cups for spring.
Awesome.
So the conversation is about the painting or the calligraphy or the flowers. And the conversation is about tea time and spring and what to look forward to in spring. In winter, the conversation is about the calligraphy, the New Year's, and what to look forward to in the New Year's.
Sorry, I have a question.
Yes.
What calligraphy means?
Calligraphy is the special way people write in a language. So
about the handwriting?
Yes, it's when handwriting is like script together.
Okay.
Like in Arabic, calligraphy is very popular in Arabic.
Like
But
how beautiful the font?
Yes. Yes.
So you call guys calligraphy.
Yes.